Oh my god, guys. Look at this. Apparently it's like, I'm not sure if you guys could really see it, but there's like a lot of windy outside. And look how much snow. It's Tuesday, the 26th of November. And my cat's crying because he wants to go outside, but he's not. And yeah, this is, I guess it's like really icy and stuff outside. So I am not going into work because it is not worth my life. But look how much snow is that on the ground. Like, oh my god. That's insanity. No, Jack, you're not going out. Anyways, I'm gonna make a cup of coffee. I've been up since 5 a.m. I don't know why I've been up since 5 o'clock, but whatever. I haven't gotten up this early in so long, so I'm okay with it. Okay guys, I have my coffee. I don't know if I want to edit a video. I don't really have any vlogs to upload, but who knows. I love coffee in the morning. I don't know why I'm so up. It's like annoying because I don't even get up on time for work. So I'm like, why am I up right now for home? Hello guys. So very many hours later, I finally, okay, so after I was vlogging and saying like, oh yeah, I'm gonna upload my, hold on baby, let me give Jack water. I was like, oh, let me, I need to upload my videos. Hold on baby. I need to upload my videos to my laptop, blah, blah, blah. I'm drinking my coffee. Well, I ended up falling asleep after that because it was like 7 in the morning. And I was just like super tired. So I ended up going to bed. Why is my camera, I don't know why it goes like black. It goes black sometimes. It's weird. And then I hung out with my parents all day. And I took a shower. Maddie took a shower. And I'm going to get her out right now. I'm watching Big Little Lies. Finally, I'm finishing the last episode. And the end of the season was like a while ago, but I'm finally finishing it. I'm going to get Maddie out real quick. Hi guys, so right now it's Friday. And we're going to take Maddie to go sleep over her grandma's house, Josh's mom's. We're meeting her in Castle Rock, which is like 45 minutes away. So yeah, we're gonna go do that right now. And it's so foggy outside. Look at how far it is. Oh, yep. I haven't left the house at all today because I'm dumb. Also, I was supposed to pack, but I didn't pack either, which I'm gonna do tonight. What the fuck?
Bitch about me doing shit last week.
Because you have to do heavy duty shit. So yeah, I have to pack for sure 100% today, 100% this weekend. Yeah. Because I ain't gonna have no time to do it during the week, and we move next Friday. So that'll be interesting. Hi guys, we just got home. And from dropping Maddie off with her grandma. So sad. We're about to eat real quick, watch a movie, cuddle, relax. And I'm probably like, once Josh goes to bed or something, I'm gonna pack some more. Yeah, that's the plan. Babe, should I start packing up the kitchen this week? But yeah, that's what's going on. I think we're just gonna relax though for the rest of the night. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.